Hello, mo ti fẹ́ kúrò nílé báyìí ibo ló wà. Ibo ni kí n ti wá bẹ́ẹ̀? Oh, okay. Yéjídé, òun ò ní pẹ́ dé nsìn yẹn, bò èmi kàn ti fẹ́ kúrò nílé báyìí. Okay, later. Wasiu, she get here for me.
Yes.
She get for me.
Okay.
Wasiu, come. Káàárọ̀. Pẹ̀lẹ́ báwo ni? Káàárọ̀. Ó máa yẹ láàárọ̀. Mo fẹ́ sáré dé bus park. Mo fẹ́ send nǹkan sí ìyá mi ní Èkìtì. Ṣùgbọ́n mi ò ní pẹ́.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Jide. How are you?
I don't know what happened, sir.
What do you mean you don't know what happened?
Relax. Okay, yeah, take it. Come over and leave. Over and leave. Turn that. Hello. We'll stay here waiting. At that side. What is that your name again?
Ejide.
Ejide. Calm down. We are a forensic pathologist here. Let them know we don't have all day. Ó sọ pé aago mẹ́sàn-án ló máa ń débi iṣẹ́. Right? Okay. Kí ni relationship pẹ̀lú olóògbé?
Ọkọ ọ̀gá mi ni wọ́n sà.
Ọkọ ọ̀gá ẹ̀. Thank you. Ṣé ibi ló ń gbé ni àbọ̀ máa ń lọ?
Máa ń wá mu máa ń lọ.
Relax. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àlàyé tó ṣe fún wa, oníbi tá ti rí òkú olóògbé yẹn ni wọn náà ti rí láàárọ̀ yìí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
Relax. Okay? Ejide, relax. Gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe sọ fún wa tẹ́lẹ̀, ó ní ó ti rí màdámù ẹ̀ láàárọ̀ yìí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ìgbà tí tèmi dé, àwọn sáré jáde, wọ́n lọ síbi kan, orí wọn sá.
Wish you. See, you cannot touch anything there. No.
Jíde, irú ìṣe wo ni mo ṣe ló fi rò pé orúkọ tó bá fi sọ fún mi lélẹ̀. Victor kéékèèké ó yán ó ní kí n lé ọmọbìnrin ilẹ̀ mi ní mi ò gbọ́ àfipá tó pa mí lóko.
Madam, kí ni reason tí ọkọ yín fi insist pé kẹ́ lé ọmọdé yín lọ?
Mi ò mọ̀. Ó kọjá sọ mí kí n lè lọ ní. Ó wò fẹ́ rí, kọjá tiẹ̀ fẹ́ rí ni. Kò fẹ́ rí ni. Ọkùnrin ẹ má bínú sí rẹ̀ ìjọ ẹ̀wọ̀n bá kí n ṣe báyìí.
Àjọlọ, kí ló ń bínú fún?
Àárín èmi àti wọn ló jọ wà.
Ó wà láàrin méjì.
Nǹkan yẹn gangan ló máa gbé mi délé.
Ẹ má ti lọ, ẹ má jẹun kẹ́ tó lọ, mo promise yín. Ẹ má wọlé, ẹ má jẹun. Jíjídé ò pẹ́ o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, mi ò tètè rọ́kadà nínú.
Gbé ẹrù ọwọ́ ẹ lẹ̀ sí kíchìn kó tètè máa lọlé. O ṣáà lè bá mi ro sẹ̀mọ́ mọ́ nítorí táìmù ti lọ.
No, ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré rò mọ́.
Ṣọmọ time jà. 8:30 máa ti lù.
Mi ò ní pẹ́ mọ́.
Wàá rò.
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
Máa lọ mò ń bọ̀ ń gbà. Mo ń bọ̀.
Yeah? Please. I beg you in the name of God. Just make sure that girl watch her 2 hands before she touch anything in that kitchen, okay?
Yes, sir. At first, I thought it was a sexual relationship gone wrong. Not until my uncle rán mi létí pé bí Victor ṣe fún last maid wá nìyẹn.
That name again?
Victor.
No, the other name.
Uncle Lere àbúrò ọkọ mi ni wá. So after them mo kàn conclude pé ó dà pé Victor ti ẹ̀fẹ̀ máa rí maid kankan sójú ni. Bó kí ni mo fẹ́ ṣe? Working class woman ni mi tí bá lọ bí iṣẹ́ látàárọ̀. Màá ṣe gbogbo wàhálà yẹn, màá tún kó sí traffic tí bá ń bọ̀, màá tún wá délé, màá tún máa kó sí kitchen, màá jẹ kókó jọjọ ni. Kí ni mo fẹ́ ṣe?
Calm down. Ǹjẹ́ ó nígbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ọkọ yín ever sọ fún yín pé àwọn fẹ́ kẹ́ ní house help?
I know, but our housemates so easy to get small by. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Kòtónú tó máa ń gbangba kan gbogbo wọn ti padà lọ ìlú wọn àti ìgbà tí wọ́n ti gbé pẹ́lí díẹ̀ báyìí lọ sí fi náírà ṣàkó wọn fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ń bímọ, so has been difficult.
That's not the excuse. I'm sure they are not the only one out there doing this job. Sweetheart, I don't want that lady continue touching my things in this house. I'm not comfortable. Mi ò mọ reason tó jẹ́ pé irú ọmọ báyẹn tó ti bàlágà ló máa gbà as house help nínú ilé in the first place. And a lot of women will be how they bothered being replaced by a house help. Yeah. That's the fact.
Being replaced?
Yeah.
No. Èmi ò tiẹ̀ ronú lọ sí gbogbo bẹ́ẹ̀ because I trust my husband. Mo trust Edaku ni, and moreover, èmi náà wà very very careful. Peggy.
Ìyẹn fún ẹni ránṣẹ́ aṣọ pé ìyẹn oníkọ́kùnrin máa ṣe kó má cheat.
Èmi ò sọ yẹn, but èmi trust ọkọ mi. Mo kọ́kọ́ mi ò lè cheat. Èmi náà dẹ̀ ti wà very careful. Ọmọ yẹn during the days ló ń bá ṣiṣẹ́ ó dẹ̀ lọ lé ó lọ sùn lálẹ́. So what else do I need? Kò sí any issue now.
Whatever you say, I don't care. Yeah. Just make sure you send that girl out of this house. I'm not comfortable with it. This is my first time seeing housemaid come and keep nails. Very dirty thing. She's too, honestly, she's too dull for my liking. I'll tell you the truth.
Babe, me understand. So the problem now is about her nails, as in you have issues with her nails. Is that what you're trying to say? No, hear me. She nails the problem by nails to one when the problem to nearby.
Yeah. Please, send that girl away out of this house. I don't like seeing her around me. Please.
What don't she do? At the bottom of Timba Washishe, never had any problem with her.
Now I do. Now I do. I'm having problem with that.
He says it every time no one's over. Can you move it? Victor.
Okay. It's okay. Hello. Okay, somebody shut up my bomb.
Security. I have a feeling there's something you're not telling us.
Like what, sir?
Maybe you realized Mr. Lametta felt guilty and decided to no longer cheat on his wife.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
But any proof be you are to your commandant.
me now. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Kò fún mi ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Tó bá fún mi ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan báyìí, mi ò ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ fojú kejì yá mi jọ torí Ọlọ́run. I love you.
Ọwọ́ kankan.
People dey.
Ẹ ṣeré. Ojú òbí ní ìbòrò ìṣó gbájú ní ìjọba. Ẹ ṣeré ní ṣé mo jọ jẹ́sìdọ̀ lójú yín. Ẹ ṣọ́ra ní o. Ẹ ṣọ́ra ní o. Tó bá jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mi ṣe lẹ fẹ́ òbí PSG. Tó ti bá tó fọwọ́ bá bá mi try àkọ́tẹ́ bá mi try máa gbé owó pa ní ilé kan láti rà.
Ejide.
Yes, sir.
Kí ló tó sọ kankan fún màdàmú ẹ? Ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣàlàyé fún ẹ. Kí ló tó sọ?
Ṣé bí torí pé mi ò fẹ́ dá nínú room? He tried severally to make us copulate, but I refused.
Was he ever aggressive in his inappropriate sexual gesture? I mean, towards you?
Not exactly. Except for just this one time that I was having a shower after a very tiring day at the market.
Look at you. Ó ti lè bẹ̀rù jù. Mo sọ fún ẹ, mo ní kó fọkàn ẹ balẹ̀ pé everything máa work out well.
Ó tọ́ ni sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Nǹkan kan tí mi ò kàn wá wé ẹ ní ti stuff yẹn tó ṣiṣẹ́ so quickly like that.
Ó sú èmi náà. Èmi gan mọ̀ kó máa fast bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn o. Ó surprise èmi gan. It was so fast.
I thought it would happen when he finally makes that trip.
Oh my God. Ọlọ́run ló sọ pé o sọ fún mi kí n tètè kúrò nílé o. If not, ọwọ́ ọlọ́pàá mi bá wà báyìí.
Ká máa dúpẹ́ pé a kò sọ́wọ́ ọlọ́pàá.
Mo tiẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé everything turned out right.
Kò ń ṣe Ọlọ́run nìkan la máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìfẹ́ náà. Torí Ọlọ́run àti ìfẹ́ ló ń sọ fún mi pé ṣe báyìí tó bá ṣe báyìí gbogbo ẹ̀ máa work out well.
That's true.
So, from our observation, the stick wasn't the money. Apart from being strangled, Mr. Victor Olabiton was infected with Minamata disease, a form of poison with organic mercury compound, characterized by lesion of central nervous system.
Wow. Are you saying he was poisoned and then strangled?
Yes.
Oh.
Minamata disease is from mercury. And mercury is used on substantial scale in numerous industries, such as the manufacture of chemicals, paints, and various household items, pesticide and fungicide.
So probably what he ate could have been a right poison.
Probably.
No. It was early in the morning. I'm not sure he would have eaten something by that time. It was too early.
It could have been his coffee.
Possibly. But the last time he ingested anything through his mouth was around 6 p.m. yesterday.
I'm not aware that kind of poison takes that long to kill.
Some do. And sometimes the volume determines. I tell you. The kind of poison we found inside the subject often brings progressive weakening of the muscles, loss of visions, eventual paralysis, and in some cases,
coma or death. But in his case, we only noticed weakness of muscles before he was eventually strangled.
Okay.
But we are still making further research to detect the type that was used.
Something still doesn't add up. If she decided to poison him, why would she still come back and strangle him?
Maybe she grew impatient.
But how does that kind of a lady strangle that kind of a man? Or do you think the strangler is not even the poisoner? Or maybe she had help?
Yes, it is possible. Like you said earlier, mercury poisoning weakens. If the lady we have is a strangler, she is aware he took the poison.
So if that is the case, why would she come back to the house?
That's it. That's it. Probably so we can conclude it's not her. Logically, she wouldn't come back.
Or maybe she isn't our killer.
Wait, say that again.
Or maybe she isn't our killer.
Think about it. Let's think about it.
Màwá dáhùn báyìí. Ṣé torí wípé wọn ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ni mo ṣe máa wá pa wọ́n ni? Èmi kọ́ ni mo pa Mr. Labinton sá. Èmi kọ́.
Ta ló ṣe oúnjẹ tí wọ́n jẹ lálẹ́ àná?
Èmi ló máa jẹ sá.
Yejide, I am a very patient man, but mo máa ń like kéèyàn dáhùn ìbéèrè tí máa béèrè exactly and correctly. Ta ló ṣe oúnjẹ tí Mr. Labinton jẹ lálẹ́ àná?
Èmi ni.
Good. Torí kí n tó wọlé wá bẹ́ẹ̀ mi báyìí sí. Àwọn forensic pathologist wá sọ fún mi pé food poisoning ló pa Mr. Labinton.
Food poisoning. Food poisoning. Food poisoning. Bọ́ èmi nìkan kọ́ ni mo ní access sí oúnjẹ ọ̀gá. Ìyàwó náà ní access sí. Besides, ìyàwó wọn gangan ló ní motive láti pa wọn.
Please, say that again.
Ìyàwó wọn gangan ló ní motive láti pa wọn.
How do you mean?
Will you come over to the house? Or you prefer me to come over to your end? Come over to the house now. You can't imagine what I'm going through. Like, I'm so in the mood and I need you so bad. Oh, my wife become Yewande lọ́jọ́. I'm waiting for you, Mapel. I'm waiting. Mapel.
Yejide! Yejide! Oh, he can't alone. Yejide! 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 So you guys know mo ní pa orúkọ láti kó òye dá mi lóhùn.
Mi ò gbọ́ ni.
Ó gbọ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kò sí wàhálà. Sórí àbọ̀ abálọ̀ rẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n ó máa bá mi lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó ń gbé ní GRA ó rántí ẹ̀.
Oh, okay. Auntie follow.
Wàá bá mi lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ nsìn. Ó ní ọ̀kan tó máa mú fún ẹ tó máa bá mi mú wá. Èmi náà máa pè nsìn pé òun bọ̀.
Ṣé kí n lọ later ni àbí fẹ́ kí n lọ sìn ma?
Bye. Ó lọ bye. Bye ni mo máa lọ.
I'm at the gate. All right.
Wasil! She gets it. Though I'm not exactly proud of having extramarital affair with my brother-in-law, but Victor was no saint either. He slept with every woman he met through me, including my godmother. Victor used to hit me over irrelevant things.
Now come. My phone.
Oh, yes.
Why did you answer my call?
I didn't pick your call.
You did. Okay, hold on.
I did not answer your call. Phone you do more than I did not answer your call. Maybe some other woman did.
Hey. Don't walk out on me. I'm still talking to you. Yeah, and I've told you several times. Don't do that when I'm talking to you.
Oh, they might be.
Sorry for yourself. Why are you lying, for God's sake? The last time one of my clients, called me, that was around 7:30. For God's sake.
I need me a pick call phone one be balancing. Oh, ring money came back. Oh, because you didn't take your phone along with you into the bathroom today. Lo ada fi that problem say me long. Oh, ring be mo de be mo pe okay kin be mo de ripo wo na tin bo. Mo de mu phone ele lowo. Why would I pick your call?
Then if you know you didn't, can you swear on your father's grave that you did not?
Are you serious? What are you saying? Give me my swear. Swear about one stupid phone call like that. Give me my swear.
Did you just say stupid phone call?
No, just because you're stupid. Just because I'm stupid. Oh, phone I don't want to be. Oh, talking about swear.
You killed your husband so you can have the chance to maybe or perhaps marry his brother.
No! I swear I did no such thing. I did not kill my husband. Please believe me. But truth be told, Lyre is far better the man Victor ever was to me. Kí ló dé tó fi ń wò mí bẹ́ẹ̀? Èdè yẹn wò mí èdè yẹn pọ̀ nù láti fẹ́ fún. Wọ́n bá mi dé zip mi jọ, my appointment is for 10. Mi ò rí ṣe fara. Dídé kó wá dá máa. Ṣé mi náà lówó bẹ̀yìn? Ẹgbà. Àárín tí màá ti wá wọ̀ báyìí o. Òun wò mí pọnù la. Ayé mi. sí mi náà fámi dé kíní jọ má ṣe mí léṣe o. mi ò like mo kí ló mi àti ṣeré gan stop ẹ mi ò like o mi ò like má pariwo mi like o tẹ́nibodì bá wọlé mi ò like kí ni wọ́n bó lọ́jọ́ ewu tẹ̀ kí n bá ẹ̀ tí indigo o ṣàfihàn mi lẹ́nu fàyà o ti get me you know I like you. Àjọ máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kó tá ń ṣe yìí kó tá ń ṣe yìí. Ti bá léwu ti pa mí dànù. Oh my God. Mo ní appointment fún lọ́jọ́.
Sorry, madam. Please stand. We'll have to search the house again.
What are you looking for?
We'll let you know when it is found.
You tell us. Is there something you hope we never find?
Is there? Come on.
Madam. I have something.
Let me see. Call the lab. Madam, content inú kìíní seasoning ni iyọ̀ àbí nǹkan tó ń lò ní kitchen.
Oh. I have something for you.
No, ẹ ní láti dáhùn. Wọ́n á sọ fún wa laboratory wa. But please, you have to come with us. The water, please. Hand me the water.
All right.
Oh, Yoruba, Isha.
Ṣé funny gan ni?
I think more funny.
Baby. Inú mi dùn pé ẹ tètè délé ni o. Àfi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé mo máa gba visa kí n tó rojú ẹni.
A dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ bí a ṣe fẹ́ kó lọ náà ni. Ẹjọ́ yẹn tètè parí.
Yeah.
So we're good.
Adúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. At least ẹ ti rójú tó ẹ̀ náà.
A ti rójú tó ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ṣeun. Àwọn Yorùbá ní orí yeye ní mògùn ta ìṣẹ́ ló pọ̀. Ọmọbìnrin Yorùbá kan lọ jìyà àìmọ̀dí ni. A kàn lọ sẹ́wọ̀n ọbẹ̀ yẹn pẹ̀lú bó ṣe fáìn tó yẹn lórí pé léṣù ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ń bì kan. Ó tiẹ̀ tó máa lọ fún lẹ́wọ̀n gbére yẹn ni ò ní dáa tọ́.
Àti ẹ̀dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Adúpẹ́ pé ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ò lọ sẹ́wọ̀n gbére. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wo lẹ́tún sọ? Fáìn bíi ti báwo? Ṣé ẹ wá fáìn tó èmi ni? Àbí kéèsì tẹ́ ṣe lọ́wọ́ ni?
Obìnrin o ṣé lè fáìn tó ẹ̀?
Ṣé ẹni tẹ́ ń sọ lélẹ̀? Linda lélẹ́yìn náà. Linda Okereke.
No, Ejide lórúkọ ẹ̀, ọmọ Yorùbá ni.
Bébí ojú mi máa ti lọ́jọ́. Linda lẹni yìí ń jẹ ẹ̀gbọ́n Obi Ageli.
No.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni.
No, Yejide ni sẹ́ẹ̀.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Ẹ̀gbọ́n Obi Ageli ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Baby, she's Linda. But ṣé o fi wípé lè máa ti ṣíjú ikú tó d'Abẹ́òkúta báyìí? At all. Ibi s'Abẹ́òkúta ò ju 6 hours lọ náà. Ṣé mo time ṣá? Ṣé wà? Ṣé mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń travel nílùú time yìí lójú ẹ̀ ni? Besides, ṣẹ́jú ìlú máa fi d'Abẹ́òkúta. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wálé máa gbé mi ní park now, so in no time máa ń dánwò. Mo mọ̀. Báwo d'Abẹ́òkúta rí nà? Besides, tí Linda bá kọ̀, kí ló fẹ́ kí n sọ fún? Ṣé ọmọ bá mi di ẹ̀ ṣá? Kí ló dé now? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ó bàjẹ́ o. Ṣẹ́gbọ́n mi náà ló ń larúkọ mọ́ lórí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ọ̀gá, pàkó ẹ̀. Ọdún mélòó gan ló gbà lọ́wọ́ mi? Mo mú. Àwọn tó jù mí náà nílé yín, àwọn ló ń báwí. Kò kìí ṣe mí. Ṣé àdìdé kó bá mi kó ẹrù ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀? Èmi mo ráyè.
Jẹ́wọ̀n pé táyà ti jò ṣá. Àbúrò sí ìdájọ́ báyìí kò yẹ lọ. Olórí burúkú màrà àwọn mẹkáníìkì kẹ wọ́n ti gbé jáàkì mi. Fẹ̀sùn ọmọ ìṣèyí ṣe jágàjà báyìí kò yẹ ọdún.
Tún ni.
Jẹ́ ìfọ́ olórí burúkú mẹkáníìkì mo gbé mọ́tò là. Ǹjẹ́ ìfọ́ ti já jáàkì nílẹ̀?
Kí lè sọ tí ó dùn lẹ́nu yín náà? Báwo lẹ ṣe máa gbé mọ́tò jáde tí ò ní ní jack?
Gbogbo ń wà nílẹ̀ yéé ṣe ń nira tó ti yé yín ẹ̀ ní sùúrù máa rán ẹgbẹ́ mi máa yá mi ní jáàkì. Èmi kàkà mo yá àlẹ́ fi àtàyà kí lè tó ẹ̀yọ́ máa ẹ̀fún mi lé 30 minutes máa ti ń kọjá báyìí máa yá mi ní jáàkì.
Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní pé ẹ̀ ní car charger.
Ẹ wo bí ẹ̀yin náà látẹnu mọ́ mo ti sọ bí ẹ̀mẹ́ta pé n kò ní ṣe mo ní fóònù lọ́wọ́ yìí máa má di car charger mọ́ra kiri.
By this time of the night.
Ele bá mu. Kí ni báyìí lálẹ́ ìwé ẹsẹ̀ ìbáyìí? Àbúrò kan fẹ́ ṣe aláàánú ni ọ. Ẹni dáàkì! Ẹni dáàkì! Ẹni sájà! Ṣé ẹni dáàkì? Ẹ fẹ́ yá wọn dáàkì?
Ẹ ṣé gọ́sà, lọ́wọ́ àtúntì yín náà ṣe o.
Kò tọ́pẹ́.
Thank you so much. Kó bá ṣe pẹ́ lọ pé yín, bó mi bá ṣe kúrò ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣé sà? Jẹ́ lọ kàn lọ kàn gé fáwọn lọ́dọ̀.
All right. Take your time.
Now no dey wa gbà lọ báyìí.
Àwọn ilé ìkẹ́ wọ́n kàn máa ń dẹ mọ́ ni tó bá ti fọn fèrè káàkiri tó bá ti wo time báyìí wọ́n lọ lé wọn ni wọ́n lọ sùn. Nǹkan tó wá fún ní jù ni pé wọ́n stupid pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí because tí emergency bá lọ wà pé ẹnìkan fẹ́ bímọ lóru tó ní láti rush out of the street báwo ni ẹ fẹ́ yẹ káwọn èèyàn jáde ìgbà tẹ́ bá ti gate tẹ́ẹ̀sì ń bẹ̀ tẹ́ ti lọ sùn.
Mi ìmọ̀ pé yín náà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o àwọn tó yẹ kó máa dáàbò bò wá táwọn gan ń sùn tọkọ̀ Ọlọ́run ló ṣàǹṣọ́ wa nílùú yìí Ọlọ́run á kó wa yọ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ èmi fi pé kẹ́ pé boyfriend yín yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
I just did. It's not just connecting.
Oh. Oh yeah. Pẹ̀lẹ́.
Thank you. Please, is there a motel around here?
Actually, I'm not familiar with this area, but I'm sure we can find something.
Ẹ jẹ́ try Joe. Tẹ̀sí rẹ̀ mi. Ẹ ṣe gùn sá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀yìn. Bàbá oní taxi yẹn, ó wẹ̀ àwọn tó bá dé mi jẹ́.
Ó kàn sùn sílẹ̀ mẹ́yìn. Ó kó oríṣiríṣi ògùn síwájú, ó fẹ́ máa lò láì jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó ṣe é gangan.
Malaria ló ń ṣe mí.
Ó dàbí ẹni pé. Ọbẹ̀ Angeli, ó dàbí ẹni wípé. Ó dàbí ẹni pé gẹ́ọ̀ yìí ṣì ń fi òpó ọmọdé lóhùn. Ọmọdé ló ṣe ń pera ẹ̀ àbí? Anyway, ò ní kó bá wọn.
I have a confession to make.
Confession.
Hello, Yejide.
I don't understand what I'm doing here when you already have your killers.
Oh, you don't? Do you know who Babajide Aloke is?
No.
What about Linda Okereke? That's quite strange. Because somebody close confirmed that she graduated from the same school your late sister Obiageli Okereke went.
Well, I don't understand what you're talking about.
Linda Okereke, when are you going to stop playing? Her name is Shewa Adekoya Gold. And after hearing her story, Detective Ojoade and I concluded that you must have heard Kemi and Larry talking about poisoning Victor.
Only put this stuff in his soul and await news of his demise from Turkey when he leaves for Energy Summit in 3 weeks. Victor is very stupid for laying hands on you. A woman I love to death. The only woman that cheerfully gives that confidence which allow me to smile every night. I love you to death.
I love you too.
Because Kemi was surprised when we showed her the poison which she thought she had disposed. After pouring some in the soup that evening, hoping he would travel to Turkey and die there. So, you used the opportunity to add sedative to your boss's drink. In order to calm that same night to strangle her husband while she sleeps and unresponsive to her husband grasp for her. And now he feebly fight for his dear life.
On that fateful night, Victor and 3 of his friends were supposed to be a good Samaritan to rescue my sister Biancheli from harm. Babajide, Victor, and 2 of their friends raped my sister from the anus and gave her hepatitis F. The disease which eventually killed her. Just because she trusted a man she thought is responsible.
But how did you not find them when you have never met them before?
Babajide pretended to be a nice guy. He showed her his pictures. And that of his friends on Instagram. Just because he wanted her to know how traveled he was. And that was how I was able to find him out. And the other perpetrators. Though it took me time. But Obiageli was worth every second of it. She was worth it.
So, what did you do to the others?
What I did to others. Of course, what needed to be done. What's left of Babajide lies at the bottom of Ogun River as we speak. You all know what happens to Victor. And for Shion Abegunde, I finished him bit by bit. Because Biangeli does not deserve to